In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to actually use your planner. Perspective Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hey, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show. Here I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos and podcasts every week. You can also shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. Thank you, patrons and channel members, for supporting this episode. Now let's get into the show. Helping you plan for what's to come. Using a planner may be a game changer for productivity, organization, and stress reduction, even if it may appear like a daunting chore to a novice. By storing crucial information in one location, a planner, also known as an organizer, agenda, calendar, journal, or even anything else, can help you prioritize activities, manage your time more effectively, and clear your mind of any clutter. I have all that you need to know about the advantages of utilizing an agenda, how to choose the ideal starter planner for you, and ideas and advice for making the most of your planner. Let's begin by discussing the primary reason you need a planner in the first place. So, why do you need a planner? The use of a planner has several advantages. First of all, by centralizing checklists and crucial information, it may assist you in maintaining organization. By clearly illustrating your daily, weekly, or even monthly tasks, it can assist you in improving your time management overall. By releasing mental space, writing things down may also help you recall them and lessen mental strain. By helping you feel in charge of your life and lowering the sensation of overload that may result from juggling a ton of applications and digital platforms. Using an organizer can also help you feel less stressed overall. Additionally, a planner can be a partner in personal responsibility. It's easy to recognize what you've done and what still needs to be worked on when your activities and objectives have a clear framework. Crossing things off your list and experiencing the joy of accomplishment is inspiring. Using your planner on a regular basis fosters a feeling of discipline and accountability over time. Your chances of staying on course and accomplishing your objectives increase with the amount of time you spend writing things down and reviewing them. It gives you the ability to take charge of your time and work toward your larger objectives by breaking down the complexity of everyday life into small, doable tasks. Tip 1. Make use of several sections. The majority of planners provide monthly, weekly, and daily views. Make good use of each area to manage everyday work and plan ahead for major projects. Make the most of these parts by giving each one a distinct function. For big picture planning, use the monthly view to draw attention to important dates, occasions, and even milestones. By providing you with a weekly plan, the weekly view is ideal for dividing those more ambitious objectives into smaller, more achievable ones. Lastly, leave the specifics to the daily view, where you can easily record particular tasks, appointments, and even your thoughts or notes. You can develop a smooth planning method that helps you stay focused and organized by giving purpose to every area in your planner. To keep your planner current and useful, remember to periodically check and update each component. Spend some time outlining your main objectives and responsibilities in the monthly view at the beginning of every month. Make adjustments to your weekly outlook at the start of each week, depending on upcoming events, and consider your accomplishments from the last week. Then, to keep on top of your urgent objectives, make adjustments to your daily plans every morning or evening. This practice guarantees that your planner will always be a flexible tool that changes to fit your busy schedule. Tip 2. Create the pages you need in your planner. Create and use distinct sections on your planner pages for work, home, and even personal responsibilities, among other aspects of your life. By doing this, you can maintain your organization and make sure you don't overlook any crucial assignments or deadlines. Creating sections specifically for tasks or objectives is a good approach to organize your planner pages. For instance, you can break down long-term objectives into manageable milestones in a separate section. Consider designating one color for chores, things for work, another for household duties, and a third for personal objectives or even pursuits. This technique ensures that nothing is overlooked by making it simple to rapidly discover and prioritize various aspects of your busy life. Recurring duties such as weekly errands or even monthly check-ins might be covered in another. By doing this, you lessen the possibility of forgetting anything crucial by keeping things tidy and within easy reach. Additionally, it keeps you from being bogged down by the minutiae. It helps you remain focused on what is really important in every aspect of your life. Your planner will be more useful in assisting you with time and priority management the more organized it is. Tip 3. Oversee your time like a pro. Be practical. Establish attainable objectives. Things may rapidly spiral out of control when there is a busy schedule. Put your top 3 to 5 must-dos in your weekly or even monthly schedule to regain control. Additionally, don't feel bad if you can't accomplish everything. Do what you can when you can to position yourself for success. Setting the pace of your schedule may begin with using a planner to keep track of your to-do list. In addition to areas for meticulously organizing your days, weeks, and even months, our Every Minute Counts planner also includes a dedicated to-do list area that can help assist you in maintaining your focus and staying on top of your priorities. Your planner is a tool to help you concentrate on the important things in your life, not merely to help you fit as much as possible into your day. Let go of the guilt for things that don't fit your beliefs and ambitions, and use it to find projects that do. You'll feel less overwhelmed and more successful if you choose quality over quantity. Keep in mind that doing the right things properly is more important than doing everything. Tip 4. Your personal assistant is your planner. When you use your preferred planner, why employ someone? Organize and simplify by centralizing objectives, appointments, and notes. Yes, many of us own a smartphone that contains a notes area and, of course, calendar. It's not always easy to switch between displays, however. Just turn to that page in your calendar to have all the information at your fingertips. Consider your planner to be your one-stop command center for all of your needs. It's not only for meetings and appointments. You can use it to keep track of your objectives, make notes, and even remind yourself of key things. Even if all of your digital reminders are on your phone, it's simple to be distracted by any other alert on your phone. You can rapidly concentrate on what really is important to you, and it's distraction-free. So try putting everything in your planner. Your calendar turns into the best tool for being organized and on top of your daily chores, whether it's for deadlines, meeting notes, or even personal milestones. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 5. Take care of yourself first. Plan to plan. Set aside time to arrange your agenda so that it's just you and your planner. This time can be used to create to-do lists, establish personal and even professional goals, or break down larger objectives into little victories. Additionally, remember to schedule some me time. Take it slow and remember to plan rest and leisure periods. A useful technique for tracking, prioritizing, and organizing is color coding. When it comes to using your planner effectively, consistency is essential. Make your planning meetings with yourself non-negotiable appointments. Whether it's a brief daily check-in every morning or even a peaceful Sunday night routine, maintaining consistency aids in maintaining concentration and, of course, clarity. These planning sessions eventually become second nature, enabling you to approach your objectives with comfort and confidence. Tip 6. Give your steps specificity. To make clear what you need to accomplish, write in complete sentences that include verbs. For instance, you're more likely to finish "Call Diana about a recipe" faster than if you type "Diana." Your tasks will be more clear and actionable if you write them in a whole sentence or even a phrase. This method turns ambiguous assignments into concrete steps that are simpler to complete. For instance, write "Email John to confirm meeting time" rather than just "Email John." Making this little change not only keeps you organized, but it also helps you see what has to be done. Eliminating any uncertainty will increase your chances of success and decrease procrastination. You'll be more likely to confidently cross things off your list if your actions are more specific. Tip 7. Begin easily. Put it in writing. When you put your objectives in writing in your weekly or even monthly calendar, you'll achieve them. Compared to objectives you hold in your thoughts, written goals are more effective. Put pen to paper and increase your chances of accomplishing your goals. Start simple by keeping note of enjoyable events like birthdays, concerts, and trips. Next, put more ambitious objectives for the year in your writing. They all matter, where you're organizing pictures, completing a 10K, or even pursuing your next major career goal. After you put your objectives in writing, proceed gradually to gain momentum. Start with easy to complete, short, achievable chores, such as reminding yourself of a project deadline or writing down forthcoming appointments. These little steps motivate you to maintain consistency and give you a feeling of accomplishment. You'll find it simpler to confidently take on those larger, more difficult tasks as you develop the practice of writing everything down. Tip 8. Not stressing about filling out every page. Sometimes the look of empty space causes people to believe they should be filling it in. You'll burn out and lose interest in your planner, so avoid going there. Instead, let your calendar represent your life at a given moment. A few weeks will be full and others will be empty by contrast, and hopefully you're resting during these empty weeks. Whether you want to keep up with pertinent schedule items or write down everything as a type of brain dump, you will have to find your very own approach to using your planner. Designs with calendars on the left and lined or graph paper on the right let certain individuals take note easily. Tracking your diet or exercise, meal and grocery shopping, remembering when bills and payments are due, scheduling time to see movies or even read books, noting items you are thankful for or goals you are working toward, or compiling a quick daily did list. It is anything you want it to be. It's your planner after all. Tip 9. Remember your successes. You've made great progress. Give yourself a treat. You may use your planner to keep track of all your objectives that you've accomplished. Review your year, week, or even everyday long successes and rejoice. We do have a very specific area in our Every Minute Counts planner for you to acknowledge and celebrate your weekly victories. Take pride in everything you do and allow your planner to reflect your path. Your planner serves as a log for your achievements in addition to being a location for tasks and timetables. Take a minute to go over your accomplished milestones, anything you crossed off your to-do list and ambitions. These experiences keep you inspired for the future and serve as your reminder of your progress. It's not just about preparing for the future, it's also about enjoying the trip. Use your planner to record tiny victories, notes of thanks, or even personal musings. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. Tip 1, make use of several sections. Tip 2, create the pages in your planner. Tip 3, oversee your time like a pro. Tip 4, your personal assistant is your planner. Tip 5, take care of yourself first. Tip 6, give your steps specificity. Tip 7, begin easily. Put it in writing. Tip 8, not stressing about filling out every page. Tip 9, remember your successes. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.